Yeah, good afternoon, friends out there. My name is James Sokafo, and today I want to give you a short presentation of what STC30 really means, Super Life. Now, this product seems very unaware to many of us. It's a new product, a new kind of therapy. ST30 simply means total, Super Life Total Care. Now, this product is a revolutionary formulation based on the apple and grape stem cells. These are cells that derive from plants, which increases the longevity of skin cells. Now, it is combined with glycoside, also known as the enzyme of life. Now, STC, this product helps to combat oxidative stress and strengthens body's natural antioxidant system. Now, some of the functions of this product is that it combats chronological aging. That it acts as an anti-aging. It delays senescence of essential cells, supports healthy immune function, protects longevity of skin stem cells, promotes the production of the body natural antioxidants. Now, this product has so many constituents. Now, what are those things that are embedded in this product? This product has Malus domestica, which is a phytocell tech. Now, this product has Solar Vitis. For Solar Vitis is also a phytocell tech program. Now, Solar Vitis is from grape stem cell derived from a rare grape known as Gamay tinctura. All these are botanical names. These are plant products that are so effective in the skin. It protects skin stem cells against ultraviolet stress and fights photoaging. Now, glycoside is also known as cantaloupe. Cantaloupe helps to reduce cellular oxidant damage and improves antioxidant defenses. Glycoside also helps to maintain healthy blood vessels and improves cardiovascular health. Cardiovascular simply means that the blood circulation system, like the heart, like the kidney, and all that. Now, this product also has glycoside in another form called gliadin. It promotes the production of body's natural antioxidant system and supports healthy immune function and protects against oxidative stress. Now, this also has what we call blackberry extract. It has what we call black currant extract, which helps in the areas of cognitive, neurological, and cardiovascular health and improves the health of eyes and joints. You can see clearly that STC30 is a product that contains all about what recent plant stem cells. Now, what are the uses of plant stem cells? You can see from the diagram that this product stem cells has so many actions in different sides of the body. It has actions in the brain, it has actions in the eye, it has action in the ear, which helps for deafness. Even in the mouth, it helps for missing teeth. It helps on the skin to help in wound healing. It helps in the bone marrow as a transplantation. It helps in arthritis, people that complain of joint pains, osteoarthritis, and rheumatoid arthritis. It also has effect on diabetes, which are located in the glands of ileus, the myocardial infarction, and also in cases of what multiple sites cancer. Multiple site cancer means that cancers from the leg, cancers of the feet, cancers of the blood, cancers of the various organs of the body. Now, what are the major uses of STC30? The following disease condition can be treated by STC30. You have the eye and joint health, stress, muscle pull, prostate issues, infertility, diabetes, hypertension, impotence, stomach ulcer, macular degeneration, and all that. Even stroke, and even cases of what cancer. Now, the question is that why is it that this product has so many uses? Reason because it is derived from plants, and what it does is that it helps to regenerate lost cells in the body. Those cells that are being endangered by disease and infections, like the one in the liver problem, this product can help to what resolve and create normal cells back to the body. That is why it is derived from what plants. There are so many uses of plant that many of us don't know of these days. Now, what are stem cells? Stem cells are special cell with the amazing power to transform into any tissue in your body. It can transform into red blood cells, white blood cells, liver tissues, nerve cells, and even what the heart tissues. Now, how do we use STC30? It comes in a pack of 15, where every morning on empty stomach you have to take one sachet, which is placed under the tongue. This is the lip region, this is the tongue being raised, sublingual glands under the tongue. There are so many glands that are found under the tongue. That is why this product works on those glands. From these glands, it's transported to the body system and does the work it is made up for. Now, when you put a sachet of this product under your tongue, leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you drink water to absorb, to produce proper absorption. Now, even our past leaders like Barack Obama has shown that stem cell therapy in the US will be promoted with millions of dollars. In 10 years time, we will start seeing new therapy like stem cell therapy. It's already going on and it's working. Now if you want to know more about STC30, you can call or WhatsApp me on 09058329075. I'll be here to answer your questions. You can also find me on YouTube, on Facebook, James Okafor. Anywhere, anytime, you will see me talking about stem cell therapy. Thank you for listening, and God bless you for every time you have spent in watching this video. Thank you.